gonna be putting these $1,100 shoes in the washing machine. What could go wrong? In today's video, I'm gonna show you 4 simple tips and tricks to clean almost every sneaker in your collection. After you watch this whole video, you'll know how to clean up your shoes, even the most busted pairs. So let's get straight into this cleaning. I'm Jordan, and I've been working at Rejuvenator for the past 3 years. Throughout that time, I have learned almost every technique to properly clean your shoes. Before we jump into using our signature cleaning kit, I'm gonna walk you through the 4 tips that you need to clean your shoes. We're gonna walk you through our pre-treatment method, our cleaning method, how to properly use the washing machine, and how to allow your sneakers to dry without causing damage. So once we get through those 4 tips and tricks, you'll be fully ready to rock your shoes with confidence. All right, for before and after purposes, you already know we only clean 1 shoe on the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead, set this shoe to the side, and then we're gonna set up our cleaning station. For the first tip and trick of this video, we're gonna show you how to properly pre-treat this sneaker. So for the first step, we're gonna remove our laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree before we start dry brushing using our soft bristle brush to remove as much surface dirt as possible. The main purpose of this pre-treatment is just to brush off all of the surface dirt so that we don't push it further into the materials. The main problem will be the stitching. Stitching is the hardest to clean on every sneaker. So if you can dry brush some of the dirt off the stitching, it definitely helps. Also with this material specifically, it is a canvas underneath this plastic lining. So it is super tricky to get deep into the materials. So as much dirt as you can remove is the best way to do it. Now that we're all done with the pre-treatment side, we're gonna walk you through the next tips and tricks, which is the cleaning process using all 3 brushes and our all-natural solution. Now, for the first step of the cleaning process, it's gonna be the same on pretty much every sneaker. The only difference is when you're cleaning suede. For this, we use the soft bristle brush on the entire uppers. You're gonna scrub in multiple directions. Don't apply too much pressure onto the materials, and then you'll pat dry as you go with the microfiber towel. You do have to be mindful on some shoes because there can be color bleeding. Now we're gonna move over to our medium bristle brush, which is the second part of a cleaning process. We're gonna hit the rubber patchwork midsoles as well as some of those deeper stainings on this back little tab. I am noticing that there is some deeper spots on the midsoles. I'm gonna be using a different technique and using our microfiber towel and my finger. This is just kind of a pro tip. You won't need it in every cleaning. The third step of the cleaning method is to use the stiff bristle brush. The stiff bristle brush works really well on the rubber outsoles. I'm also going to use it on the rubber midsoles just to go over it again for that deeper staining. Don't use this on any other material other than hard rubbers because it can cause damage. We're almost done with the cleaning process. We used all 3 brushes and our natural solution. We mixed 2 squirts of solution with a 4-ounce bowl of water. Then we went the extra step and used this little pick that we stole from Vic to get the gum out of the outsole. Now for the last tip and trick of the cleaning process, we're gonna remove the shoe tree, remove the insole, and properly scrub the interior of the sneaker using the medium bristle brush. Now the main reason that I clean the insole and the interior of the sneaker is just to provide a more deep and effective clean. It not only removes the grime on the insole, but it also helps remove the odor that could be in there. For the last step of the cleaning side of the process, we are going to be taking care of these grimy laces. Now there's a couple different ways that you can clean laces. You can rub them between your hands and then squeeze out the excess water. You can use the soft bristle brush if needed. I personally use the soft bristle brush on the thicker laces, like for SB Dunks. These aren't super thick, so I'm just gonna use my hands, and then we'll wring out the excess water and set them in the lace pouch of the laundry bag. All right, third tip and trick is how to properly wash your sneakers in the washing machine. Now, we don't recommend that you wash all sneakers in the wash, but canvas, some leathers, mesh, knit, they're totally okay. Don't wash super old sneakers because they can crumble, but for these, they are perfectly okay. We even cleared it with Vic Almighty. So now we're gonna be putting it in the Rejuvenator laundry bag. This laundry bag can hold up to a size 12 high tops. Since we only have 1 shoe, it's gonna have a lot of room in there. We're gonna lock it down, hold the shoe in there properly just by pushing down these little locking mechanisms on both of them. Next step is flipping over to the little lace pouch, inserting our laces as well as our laundry pod. Our laundry detergent pod can clean up to 4 pairs of shoes. The main benefit of this is that it's clear, so there's no dye, so it won't cause any damage to your sneakers in the washing machine. The main benefit of the laundry bag is that it not only protects your sneakers while it's going around in the wash cycle, it also is made to scrub the sneakers as it goes, which provides a deep and effective clean every time. So let's go to the laundry room, put these in, and we'll show you the cycle that you need. We're gonna wash them on a quick wash using cold water. Never wash your sneakers with anything other than cold water. You can use a normal wash or a quick wash. We recommend about 30 to 45 minutes in the washing machine, and then we'll pull them out of the washer and allow them to dry. All right, the fourth step of the cleaning is going to be the drying process. However, one thing is you never ever want to put your shoes in the dryer. Even on the coldest setting, it can cause damage to the sneaker. It can break down the glue, which will eventually lead to sole separation. And even on some materials, it can shrink them, so your shoes will never really fit the same again. Now for us, we use our drying rack. We know not everybody has that, so we highly recommend either using the sun or a fan to dry your sneakers evenly. So now that you know how to properly dry your shoes, let's go wrap up this cleaning. Now before I bring in the before and after, I just want to hit on a couple points. These were a customer's shoes. They were dropped off by one of our good friends over at Taco Boys. You've seen them on the channel before. It's Vic's go-to lunch spot. So since they always hook us up with tacos, we did give them the white glove service and the most premium clean. You also can find our cleaning services online. We offer a couple different services: our signature cleaning, white glove cleaning, on yellowing. You can ship your shoes right to our headquarters, and one of our shoe care specialists will take care of them. Also, you never know, they might end up on the channel. We also have a drop-off cleaning service. If you are local to Arizona, you can bring in your shoes. We offer all the same services, and our shoe care specialist will take good care of you. Now, let's bring in that before and after. So, as you can see, this is a night and day difference. This shoe, covered in mud, grease, dirt, I don't even know. This one is shining bright. Before we wrap up the cleaning, you know we gotta talk about the shoe. The Dior B23 features the canvas material with the Dior branding, as well as this patchwork midsole. It is one of the best Dior sneaker releases. It does come in a couple different colors. It comes in the black and white. It comes in an all black pair and an all white pair, and it also comes in a high top. Let us know if you're rocking with the lower version of the B23s, or if you like the high tops, or if designer sneakers just aren't really your vibe. Let's bring in the product and completely wrap up this cleaning. To achieve these results, we use the Rejuvenator Signature Cleaning Kit. Comes with everything that you need to clean over 50 pairs of shoes. It comes with 3 different brushes, 4-ounce cleaning solution, 2 shoe trees, a laundry bag, and a microfiber towel to completely keep your collection clean. We also paired it with our cleaning mat, highly absorbent, machine washable, and can be used for multiple cleanings. And we paired it with our non-dyed laundry detergent pods. These smell absolutely amazing and pack enough power to clean 4 pairs of shoes with just 1 pod. We also paired it with our drying rack and bowl combo to store our brushes, as well as store our water and solution during the cleaning. You can find all of our products and so much more at rejuvenator.com. Use my link in the description, save yourself 10% off. And while you're on the site, make sure you sign up for our email newsletter. We have exclusive content, exclusive discounts, and so much more just through our email list. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you like today's video, hit the thumbs up button. First comment will win a signature kit just for you. That's gonna wrap up today's Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.